Welcome! In this video we'll look at creating a floaty back for GoPro with the NinjaFlex material. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have the GoPro floaty back printed with NinjaFlex. As you can see, it's very flexible. You can squeeze it into a small box and it still keeps its shape. So here we have the skeleton backplate that we will use. So I'm just gonna glue this on, nothing fancy at all. Let's apply some glue here. Something like that. Also some on the printer as well. I'm using the upside since it's more, it has a lot of more grooves in it, so it's better for attaching. And of course you want to have some good pressure on this. If it's good. And there we have it. I'm just using a super glue, so it's already hardened, which is nice. And then all you do is apply it on your skeleton housing, and you're good to go. So you can see here this with the camera inside. And we'll try again, and it floats, as you can see, so that's good. You can see the camera is inside. This design was created by Barspin. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, drop a comment, and of course subscribe. See you, bye.